Delayed IT support hurts the productivity of your workforce. An employee submits between 1 to 2 tickets every month with a typical wait time of 6 hours before an agent sees the ticket and 3 days before the issue is finally resolved. More than 40% of these tickets could be resolved entirely with an intelligent help desk powered by chatbots and AI. Delight your employees with easy interactions and quick resolutions by streamlining your help desk using automations with Workato. Provide a conversational self-service experience using AI on your existing chat platform like Slack. Magically answer employees' troubleshooting and how-to questions with a knowledge-based search in Confluence for common answers and useful articles. Give employees answers for coworkers' contact information, booking conference rooms, and available workspaces. Automatically route tickets to the right group by setting key fields like assignment group, and prioritize and escalate tickets as needed based on rules and AI. Provide instant visibility into request status by allowing employees to view their tickets in Microsoft Teams, Facebook Workplace, or other chat applications. Serve up the right form to resolve employee requests fast, no search needed, and guide them through completion. Resolve employees' requests for software or access to apps like Salesforce, Workday, Jira, MySQL, and G Suite, and provision it immediately without agent assistance. Let employees unlock accounts and reset passwords and two-factor tokens, all without agent help. We know how important it is to solve your employees' problems quickly. With Workato, you can let your manual tasks run on autopilot, significantly reduce your average resolution time, lower incoming ticket volume, and reduce support costs. Above all, you can create a world-class experience that your employees expect. Request a demo today to get started.